Are you in need to learn regression analysis and take your machine learning skills in R one step further? Do you need to use your regression models for analyzing the data and prediction tasks for your work, but you don't understand the concepts and don't know how to implement them in R? If you have answered yes, at least for one of these questions, then this course is for you. Welcome to my course, Regression Analysis for Machine Learning in R. This course contains several hours of video content, many practical labs, coding exercises, and scripts to make you fit in the topic of regression analysis. Unlike other courses, it offers not only the guided demonstrations of the R scripts, but also covers theoretical background that will allow you to fully understand and apply regression analysis in R. You'll start by absorbing the most valuable regression analysis techniques. I use easy to understand hands-on methods to simplify and address even the most difficult concepts in R. You are going to learn R programming basics, or if you're already a skilled user of R, you will improve your R programming coding skills. We will start with a general introduction to regression analysis and machine learning concepts. Move into applications of parametric and non-parametric regressions in R, such as linear regression and random forest. You will learn how to apply correctly regression models and test them in R. Then we will cover main aspects of supervised machine learning. We will build together machine learning-based regressions such as random forest, caret, and others. Besides, you will learn how to evaluate performance of regression models and how to compare different prediction models to choose the best solution for your application. And finally, you will apply your newly learned skills to your independent project. And now it's time to meet the instructors. Kate Allison and Kirk Mueller are data experts and instructors with over 10 years experience in this field. And we are happy to teach you this exciting topic and share our skills and knowledge. So, don't wait and enroll now.